All right, so this says, given the following information, determine which lines, if any, are parallel. State the postulate or theorem that justifies your answer. So we are looking at angles 1 and 9. So here's 1 is right here, and 9 is right here. So those are congruent to each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw in that's my transversal, and these are my two lines that would be parallel to each other. Okay, see how the two angles, they have to be on the transversal. Got it? And C and D are the ones that are parallel. So B and C, we can eliminate those choices. Now, what reasoning would we give? Are they congruent alternate interior angles? Or are they congruent corresponding angles? Which one are they? Well, these would be 1 and 9 would be considered corresponding angles. Those would be corresponding angles. Now, what if they had given you 1 and 11? They wouldn't have given you 1 and 11. What if they're giving you 2 and 11? What would 2 and 11 be if they told you 2 and 11? Those wouldn't be corresponding. Now, those would be alternate interior angles. Whoops, it would be C and D. Okay?